Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, in this channel, we break down powerful strategies to help you dominate the Forex market. Okay, so I want to show you that you're in the right channel. If you are new here, then I welcome you most especially. But if you are already a regular viewer of this channel, then I want to thank you and congratulate you at the same time. Okay, so let's get into what we have for this video. Okay, we're going to be talking about Kumo Breakout basically in this video. Without wasting so much of your time, we're going to be talking about the Kumo Breakout Strategy. Okay, I don't know if you're familiar with the Kumo breakout, but Kumo is an essential part of the Ichimoku system. Okay, if you're familiar with the Ichimoku system, the Ichimoku Kinko Ayo indicator, the Kumo is an essential part of that indicator. That indicator is like a system on its own because it comprises of a couple of indicators in one. Okay, anyway, I'm going to be adding that indicator very soon to the chart. Now, this strategy, the Kumo Breakout Strategy precisely, it's a dynamic technique from the Ichimoku Cloud. Okay, and it's quite perfect for spotting breakout opportunities. So let me just add the indicator to the chart right away. The Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. All right, this is the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo indicator. So you can see that this indicator comprises of a couple of indicators in one. Right, we have the Kumo Cloud. We have the Tenkan Sen, the Kijun Sen, we have the Chico span as well. So, a couple of indicators in one, right? Now, if you are ready to add this strategy to your trading arsenal, then stick around until the end as we discuss it, in more detail. Now, the Kumo Breakout Strategy is all about capitalizing on market momentum. Okay, that's like the fundamental idea behind this strategy. Okay. It uses the Ichimoku Cloud. Now, when I talk about Ichimoku Cloud, this is the Ichimoku Cloud. Yeah, this shaded area on the chart, this shaded part of the indicator is the Ichimoku Cloud. Meanwhile, the Kumo Breakout Strategy, it uses the Ichimoku Cloud or the Kumo. All right, it's also called the Kumo Cloud, or the Kumo. This strategy uses the Kumo to identify areas of support, resistance, and potential breakouts. So by combining its visual cues with smart trade management, this strategy can help you to navigate trends with confidence. Before we get into the breakout strategy itself, let's quickly understand what the Kumo is. Okay, the Ichimoku Cloud is a part of the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo system, and it is made up of two lines, as you can see. You see, this is one line, this is another line, right? And you can see that both lines have different colors. If you look at it closely, you'll see that this line is quite more like an orange color, while this is more like a gray color. Okay, and you will notice that whenever the orange line is above, the hatched area is also orange in color, and whenever the gray line is above, the hatched area is also gray in color. Okay, so basically, whenever price is above that cloud, we usually see the orange line on top, and whenever price is below, we usually see the gray line on top. Okay, the space between these lines creates the cloud or the Kumo. Okay, and it serves as a dynamic area of support or resistance. All right, when the price is above the Kumo, it's considered bullish, as we can see here, and then when the price is below the Kumo, it's considered bearish. And another thing is a thick Kumo, right? A thick Kumo often indicates strong resistance or support, while a thin Kumo, let's look for that, while a thin Kumo suggests weaker levels. So whenever you find a thick Kumo, it shows that there is strong resistance around that point. That is, if the Kumo is above price. If the Kumo is below price, it shows that there is strong support. There is strong support around that point. But when you find a thin Kumo, it shows that there is weak resistance or weak support. Okay? Now, the Kumo doesn't just affect, or rather, it doesn't just reflect current trends. It also projects into the future. All right? It also projects into the future. Now, it tries to give traders, a forward-looking tool to anticipate potential price moves. They can see what happened here. The Kumo Cloud is already predicting possible future direction of the price, right? You can see that the Kumo Cloud has already gone ahead of price. Okay, now let us just break down the Kumo Breakout Strategy step by step. The first thing is to identify the breakout. So you have to watch for the price to break above or below the Kumo. Now let us just look for a very practical example. Initially, in this example, we were having a buy trend, right? And then we suddenly had a breakout below the Kumo. So that showed that there was a bearish reversal, and you can see that the price continued dropping down. Okay, a bullish breakout happens when the price closes above the cloud, while a bearish breakout occurs when the price closes below the cloud. Now, you also have to check the cloud's color and thickness. Okay, so like I said, whenever you have this orange-like color, it shows that there is bullish momentum. So whenever the color of the cloud is orange, that is the hatch. The hatches are dominated by the orange color. It shows that there is actually bullish momentum. But then when a breakout happens, just watch out. Shortly afterwards, you should have the cloud color change to gray. All right, these gray hatches. Okay, and then thicker clouds. All right, watch out for thick clouds and thin clouds as well, because thicker clouds are quite hard to break compared to thinner clouds. Okay, and then you can also use additional confirmation to avoid false breakouts. You can combine the Kumo breakout with other indicators like the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen, which are part of the Ichimoku Kenko system. Okay, and you can also decide to add, another indicator entirely, such as the RSI. You can decide to just add RSI. For example, if the RSI is above 50 during a bullish breakout, like what happened here, you can see that we initially had a sell move, and then we had a bullish breakout. You can see here, you can see that the price actually broke above the cloud, and you can see that RSI moved above the 50 level. So that indicated a buy signal. Okay, it quite adds strength to the signal. And then you need to also set your entry and exit points. For a bullish breakout, enter when the candle closes above the Kumo. For a bearish breakout, you enter when the candle closes below the Kumo. And then you place your stop loss just below the Kumo for a bullish trade. And then you place your stop loss just above the Kumo for a bearish trade. Okay? And then use a 1:2, 1:2. All right? 1:2. 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, or you can even use something maybe 1:3, 1:4, depending on market condition. All right, this means that you are risking 1 to make 2. So if you are risking $1, your potential profit should be $2. If you are risking $4, your potential profit should be $8. If you are risking $50, your potential profit should be $100. If you are risking $1,000, your potential profit should be $2,000. Okay. Now, after entering, keep an eye on market conditions and adjust your stop loss to lock in gains as the trade moves in your favor. All right. The Ichimoku Cloud can also help you decide when to exit if the price re-enters the Kumo or reverses. So the Kumo Breakout Strategy is highly effective because it combines trend following and momentum principles. It's versatile, works across time frames, and gives you a visual representation of market dynamics. Plus, by using the Kumo, you are working with an adaptive support and resistance system that adjusts with the market. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to mastering the Kumo Breakout Strategy. If this strategy resonates with you, give it a try and see how it fits into your trading plan. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more strategies like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know your experience with the Ichimoku Cloud or what strategies you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.